Well, out here behind us we have Hi Lonesome Prairie, right in the middle of Missouri, just north of Coal Camp, a town of about 1,000. And the prairie is set up by the Missouri Department of Conservation. There's about 400 to 600 acres out here. What we're doing is we're running livestock on here on a portion of the property. The cattle do very well on this. It's just all grass-fed cattle. We don't put any grain to them. When you get into 400 to 600 acres, there's a lot of grass, and they put about one calf per every 4 acres, so they've got more than enough to eat. Here's your giant blue stem here, and I'm about 6 foot tall, so it's almost 5 foot. And you can see the seed pods there on it, several of them all up and down. And then down here is a little bit of timothy that's trying to sneak out. There's a head for timothy. So there's some timothy out here, which is very good grass out here too. But this is a fine example of giant blue stem. I guess the proof is in the pudding there with the calves eating it. They eat it, they grow, so they must like it, and it's good for them. Keeps them good and healthy. They're kind of like we are. They want the best of the best, you know, to eat. We all do. The cows are the same way. They want the best of the best.